I'm going to show you guys a little setup. Regular bounce house. Normally I have my trailer, but today we were towing a dunk tank, so we're just using the back of the truck. So I got these label bags from Nick Glassett, I believe, at the jump off. What I do is I strap these, I roll the straps up when the bounce house is blowing up, and then I put the straps in the bag. No. You're set up already how it was supposed to go. Unroll. There you go. Put that down. You do that when it's blowing up. Close the zipper. Close that zipper. Kyle. Now run the blower. Might need an extension. Some bounces have this, some don't, but we always use the blower tube that's closer to the outlet. So we're going to use this blower tube because our outlet's right over there. See how this comes out sideways?
Yeah.
So make sure this is straight. It's going to lay like that. And then I know I've got another video showing you guys how I connect this. But the way I do it, so it's not all crinkled, is I'll get the blower tube on there, and then I will fold the top, and my guy Kyle right here is going to show you how I like to do that. So that's the top.
Right.
And then so hold that in place, and now fold this.
Okay.
Now this allows all the air to go through, much less air leaks out the back. It's not all crinkled up.
You want to run the electric on? I don't know. I think
We got the straps going in the bag, so we know when we come to pick up, we use the same straps. Then when we connect these extension cords, we always tie the cord. So you cross them over, one underneath, plug them in, pull it a little bit. So this way, if anyone ever trips on this, we're running this one against the building, but if someone trips on that cord over there and it pulls the cord, this is not going to unplug. So with your extra blower tube, this is the way I like to do this. It stops most air from coming out. I fold it in half this way, and then I fold it in half again this way. So now you got a double fold on there. Bring your strap around. I always like to make sure they're straight so they're not twisted and they don't ruin the straps. I also like to hold this down and not just pull it all the way through, because these buckles right here will ruin this strap over time as you keep pulling it through there. Once you got it most of the way, crank this down. And now this is folded twice, and this will not let any air come out of there. Go ahead, turn it on.
I'm going to show how to put it in there too.
Then, I always do this before it's fully inflated because it gets harder to do. But while this is blowing up, we stick this in there because it's so much easier to do that way. And now this side's tucked away nice and tidy. And I know this might be a little loud, but I feel no air coming out of this. Supposed to be cold. I wish I had a little piece of paper or something that would show you that it's not blowing. There's no air coming out of this. Alright, steaks, and we're out of here. So these steaks, because the entrance is here and we have plenty of room on the side, I like to stake the sides and the back. This way there's, you know, kids put their shoes here, whatever, they're not stepping on a steak. I put the steak in the side. Always steak straight down, not on an angle. And put that sucker all the way in there. This one goes on the back, around the side.
That's what he does when he's starting.
That's a rock. And we are done.
Right here?
Yeah. And that is a regular bounce house setup. And let's see, this video was 11 minutes long. And we were definitely taking our time a little bit, you know, just trying to show you guys a couple tips and tricks. Normally we'd bang this out in about 7 minutes. Make sure we load everything back in the truck.
You want to strap it up? I'll put it up there.
As I said before, normally I would have a trailer with me, but I was towing a dunk tank this morning. So I threw my 2 drop-offs for today in the back of this. Now we're going to pick up 5 units. So thanks for watching. And if this video helped you at all, please like, subscribe, drop a comment. If you got any tips that maybe you think I could do things better, let me know. Thanks.